In this video, we want to share with you how do we propagate Peperomia rossо. First, find a healthy mother plant. Second, detach mature and healthy leaves from the mother plant. Need to cut the petiole because the longer the petiole is, the longer the babies will come out. Cut into half to maximize the leaves. Moist the soil before pricking. Prick the leaves not too deep. Make sure to prick where the petiole is. It is one of the common mistakes others are doing. Babies will start to come out 6 to 8 weeks after pricking. Water again after pricking using bottle sprayer and keep it to a partly shaded area. And here they are after 4 to 5 months. These Peperomia rossо are 4 to 5 months old. You water them regularly when the top media is dry. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this way will work with your Peperomia rosso. So start propagating and wait for your Peperomia babies grow. If you want more of our videos, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for new updates.